Hey guys, it's Connor with Colorado Custom Covers and Decks. Today we're going to be doing a how-to video on putting up quarter round. We're using a pin nailer with 23 gauge nails and they're 1 inch long today. So as I'm going, I try to put it as far back towards the stucco as I can and push it up. If you can see, there's a little bit of a gap, not too bad, but you always want to make sure that you're tight. And when you shoot it, you want to make sure that you're hitting the tongue and groove so you can go up like that. Then when you can move down, make sure that gap is nice and tight. Up. Same thing here. And that way I know that I'm hitting the tongue and groove because I'm going at an angle that's going to meet it. Also, normally when you're doing this on a ceiling that doesn't have stucco, maybe there's a beam or something right there that you can staple to. You always want to put one like so, going into the beam, just giving it some extra security. In the past, if you don't put enough staples or pin nailers in it, sometimes this stuff will, kind of just sag a little bit. It won't necessarily fall, but you'll lose that tightness, and you'll end up seeing a gap in there, and you don't want to do that. You don't want to go back to a customer's house. That's poor quality, poor craftsmanship. So make sure that when you guys are doing this, you're putting in enough nails, making sure that there's no gap. And yeah, check us out on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. See you guys.